Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue regarding computation of arm's length price in respect of international transactions. In this case, a very pertinent issue was decided by the Bombay High Court that if the assessee, manufacturing activity and royalty payment are interconnected, and it has been upheld by the tribunal in the earlier cases that transactional net margin method is the most appropriate method for both the activities, that is royalty and manufacturing activity, then whether the tribunal can take a different view in the same set of information, in the same facts and circumstances for the next years to take a different view. The matter has been decided in the case of Comnis India Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been decided on 28th July 2023, and the matter has been reported in 470 ITR at page number 184 by the Honorable Bombay High Court. In the present case, Transfer Pricing Officer passed a order under section 92CA subsection 3 by upholding the method adopted by the assessee, that is transactional net margin method in respect of manufacturing activity, but in spite of transactional net margin method in respect of royalty, the assessing officer adopted the method of uncontrolled price method or other method. It was the submission of the assessee that in the previous assessment years, the agreement of royalty and the agreement of royalty in the present assessment year is more or less same. The manufacturing activity of the assessee and the royalty payment has been held as inextricably linked with each other by the tribunal, but the transfer pricing officer was not convinced and he adopted a different method for royalty. When this matter came to the dispute resolution panel upheld the order of the transfer pricing officer, and very surprisingly, even the tribunal go ahead with the order of the transfer pricing officer and dispute resolution panel. When the assessee went to the Bombay High Court, the Bombay High Court said that in the present case, in the previous assessment years, the transfer pricing officer himself has held that the manufacturing activity of the assessee and the royalty payment are interconnected with each other, and on the pursuit of the agreement of the royalty, it is very lucid that the agreement is the same with the agreement which was there in the previous assessment years. So it can safely be assumed that there is no change in the present facts and circumstances for those assessment years for which the matter is in dispute. So on the basis of consistency also, the transfer pricing officer was not justified in adopting a different method for royalty payment, especially when the royalty payment was directly connected with the manufacturing activity of the assessee. In this case, the tribunal has given the decision in favor of the assessee for the earlier assessment years that the same method should be adopted, that is transactional net margin method for both manufacturing activity and royalty, since there is no change in the facts and circumstances of the case. So the tribunal cannot take a different view for the assessment years which are in dispute. So the Bombay High Court quashed the order of the transfer pricing officer, dispute resolution panel and the tribunal, which said that the assessee is at fault in adopting the same method for both manufacturing activity and royalty. So in the nutshell, the Bombay High Court gave the decision in favor of the assessee that the same method can be adopted for both royalty and manufacturing activity when they are both interconnected. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Comnis India Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 470 ITR at page number 184. The matter has been decided by Honorable Bombay High Court, and the date of the judgment is 28th July 2023. Thank you, friends.